Presenting the Philips PowerPro Compact Bagless Vacuum Cleaner in the color blue. With the 1900 watt motor, it generates strong suction power for fast, deep cleaning results. The PowerCyclone 5 technology accelerates air in the cyclonic chamber to separate out dust. Powerful swirling action maximizes airflow and performance for remarkable cleaning results. The fully sealed filtration system captures 99.9% of fine dust particles, including pollen, pet hair, and dust mites, making it a great choice for allergy sufferers and anyone demanding a higher level of hygiene. The rotating brush inside the nozzle actively removes small dust particles and pet hair, resulting in a better cleaning performance. The dust container is designed for hygienic removing and emptying with one hand, which helps minimize dust clouds. Inside the box, you will find the vacuum cleaner, accessories, user manual, and warranty card. This product comes with standard brand warranty. For EMI options, refer to product detail page. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. 10-day return or replacement policy for damaged or defective product. For delivery details, please refer to product detail page. Prime members get free delivery. For further information, visit the product detail page.